Unbelievable. Yeah. Which tells me these ribs are good. Wow. Tony Roma ribs right here at home in a Korean oven. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. 맛있어요. 맛있어요. Welcome to Cobert's I'm Keith Colbert. This is Casey's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to do a recipe of baby back ribs. I learned this recipe in the kitchens of Tony Roma in Seoul, actually. I slipped in the kitchen, watched the style. So I formulated this so it works in a Korean oven, and it's too easy. Basics: salt and pepper, ribs, and an oven. 3 things. Okay, what I'm going to do is shape these up. I'm going to square it up and then make a circle, half and half, tie it together, put it in my aluminum foil, put it on the rack, slip it in the oven. My oven is preheating right now as I'm talking to 190 degrees Celsius. Very important. And again, number 1 rule, dry, dry, dry. That's what I want to do. Now, let me talk a little bit about the rib. You got 2 ends. You got the end near the back that's cut, and then the end that goes around and wraps around like this on the pig. When I put it on the rack, I want to put these that wrap around on top. And I'm going to explain very well what I'm talking about. See how this is cut this way? It's thick, and you can see there's 2 bones. Sometimes there won't be, but this is along the back of the pig. On this end, it's just single bone, and this is where the ribs go on around. So it go around like that to form the pig's belly. When you're cooking it, you want the rib cage up because it's going to give you a hint. It will draw up on this bone like this and tell you when it's done. We're going to put our seasoning on. Again, what am I using? Basic. Black pepper and salt. Both sides. Remember the number 1 rule? Dry, dry, dry. You can see how dry these are. Now we're ready to form our circle. We got it all seasoned up. Remember, bone up. The rib bone, important. Important. Make our circle. I'm just going to kind of move this around a little bit with a hand to get my circle because I'm going to tie it. You don't have to make it perfect. Just make a circle because I'm going to adjust it a little bit when I get the rope on there. Rib side up, back side down. Now I'm going to seal it up. The reason I'm sealing it up, I want to steam that meat as it cooks and roasts in that oven. It'll actually steam, the juices will come up into the steam, and that seal will make it unbelievably tender. You're truly going to enjoy this. It's all sealed up, ready to go. Oh, one important tip, do not poke a hole in it. What we'll do is take them out, put them back on the rack. Get it open. Take it out. You can see it's steaming. First, the steam roasted. And let's see if we have success. Ooh. Yeah. What did I tell you? Look at that. All of them sticking up about that much, which tells me these ribs are good. Take them apart. Oop. Good. Lay them down. Right there where they're at. All right. Now, back to the oven for about 15 minutes. Right. Unbelievable. Check that out. Wow. Tony Roma ribs right here at home in a Korean oven. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Did that rib? And Papa's rib. Good girl. You a high-class girl. Yes, you are. Is that good? Huh? You was waiting for that, wasn't you? Waiting on Papa's ribs. Tender. Ooh. You can chew a little bit. Welcome to Cooked Pizza! Pizza! Hey, good. Babuya!